Hi there, my name is Flavio Martinez, and I've been a loyal client of Shauna's for about 15 years now. I formed my LLC at around the same time that she was expanding her business, so we've been together for quite a while. I'm an independent contractor. I work for a company that has about 1,500 associates in 55 countries. And recently, as a result of the coronavirus pandemic crisis, many of us were rushing to our leadership to try to find resources or information. There was a lot of bad information out there, and try to find some guidance in finding all the right answers to navigate through the loans that were available through the CARES Act, the SBA. So our leadership was bombarded with a lot of questions from many different associates asking, "Hey, where do I find somebody who can help us through this?" So our leadership contacted me and said, "Hey, do you know of a good CPA who would be comfortable in an environment like a webinar environment that is comfortable speaking to large amounts of people through a live broadcast or a video conference call?" And I said, "Well, not only do I know a good one, I know a fantastic one. And in fact, she is a goddess at these webinars. I had just seen a couple of Shauna's webinars, and in fact, I follow a lot of her video snippets that she does almost on a weekly basis or so, and that's a great way to stay in touch with her clients." So quickly, we set up a quick webinar for her to do to our associates, in which what was amazing about it is she really explained all the nuances and the different terms and conditions, everything related to the loans available. And in fact, not only the loans available from the SBA, the PPP and the EIDL loans, but also other ways in which we could gain fast access to cash, right? Right now in this crisis, cash is king, as she says. And the webinar was attended by close to 500 of our associates here in North America, which was unbelievable, right? The feedback is still coming in. It's incredibly positive. And both, accolades from our leadership as well as all of our associates. And to me, I think what was really most impressive is the fact that Shauna is so incredibly busy, right? Her team and they're just incredibly busy right now with everything that's going on during this crisis. But yet she was able to make the time. She made the time for us to be in a webinar that was so well presented, so well laid out. And her format, I think, to me is what's the key to it. She allows for the questions to come in and she answers them as she is in the webinar. Oftentimes, how many webinars do you attend where the questions are left to the end and there's just not enough time for people to get the right answers? So kudos to Shauna. Been a client of yours for 15 years. I think I'm going to be a client of yours for life. Thank you.